One of the biggest myths Trump and Republicans in Congress perpetrate is that low-income Americans don't pay their fair share of taxes. In reality, the opposite is true. Poor Americans pay a huge amount in taxes, while some of the wealthiest Americans and the most profitable corporations pay little to nothing. Here are the facts. The federal income tax is progressive, meaning that as your income rises, a larger share of your income is supposed to be taxed. But the federal income tax is only one of many taxes that Americans pay. Taking into account all taxes, Social Security, Medicare, state and local sales taxes, local property taxes, user fees, tolls, those in the bottom fifth of earners pay almost a fifth of their incomes in taxes. Even the poorest Americans are paying almost 11% of their income in state and local taxes alone, according to the Institute on Taxation and Economic Policy. This amounts to a much larger sacrifice than what the wealthy pay. Meanwhile, the wealthiest Americans have found ways to reduce their federal tax bills by exploiting loopholes, like the carried interest deduction for hedge fund managers, real estate developers, and private equity partners, or stashing their money overseas. What about big corporations? Trump slashed their taxes. In 2018, 60 major corporations paid no federal income tax at all. So don't believe Trump and his enablers when they rail against the poor for not paying their fair share. The real free riders are the super wealthy and corporations who have secured loopholes and special tax breaks in the tax code to pad their own nests.